Welcome to day 16 of your May Reset Challenge. Did you wake up feeling stuck in your body? Like your joints are rusty and your energy stuck in neutral? This is your full body ignition, built on rotation, breath, and dynamic release. Let's hit the mat. This move wakes up your hips, spine, and posture in one full body twist. If you've been curled inward, it resets the foundation. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width. Drop into a deep squat, heels grounded, chest tall. Place your right hand on the floor or around your ankle and rotate your left arm to the sky in a T shape. Return to center, switch sides. Keep alternating for 1 minute. You're going to feel your inner thighs, spine, and shoulders engaging and rotating. Ankles and hips softening into depth. This stretch mobilizes everything: hips, thoracic spine, posture. I promise it'll wake up places you didn't even realize were tight. Now that your rotation is primed, we'll dive deeper in a low lunge. Can you hold the twist for 5 full seconds without shifting your base? Is your chest lifting from strength, or are you pushing from tension? That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. You sit a lot. That tightens your hip flexors and stiffens your lower spine. This move clears it out. Step your right foot forward into low lunge, back knee down. Plant your left hand and lift your right arm to the sky, twisting through the torso. Switch to the left side at 30 seconds. You're going to feel your hip flexors opening, spine rotating with breath, core gently activating to stabilize. This brings balance to your hips and rotation to your spine. I promise you'll breathe easier and move free after this. Twisting also improves digestion and internal circulation. Hold your twist, breathe into your hips. Stay for 5 more seconds. Are your hips square or is your twist compensating? That just freed up your torso. Now let's bring in some flow. Movement doesn't have to be linear. This circular motion wakes up your hips, spine, and core through dynamic balance. Stand tall with feet on hips. Gently begin circling your hips clockwise in a wide loop. After 30 seconds, switch to counterclockwise. Keep knees soft, breath flowing. You're going to feel your pelvis circling, lumbar spine freeing up, glutes and core subtly activating. This playful motion relieves tension and builds up mobility without overthinking it. I promise your low back will thank you. Now that your core is warmed up, it's time to add a little fire. Can you circle just a little wider without losing control? Are you leading with your hips or chasing the motion? That just unlocked your base. Now let's fire up your core. This stretch wakes up your center and connects your breath, core, and rhythm. Perfect if you need energy right now. Stand tall, hands behind your head. Lift your right knee and twist your torso to meet it with your left elbow. Switch sides. Alternate at a steady pace. You're going to feel core engagement, cross-body activation, breathing syncing with motion. Stem engines strengthen your obliques and improve balance. I promise this move alone will make you feel more awake. This twist mimics your natural walking pattern, restoring rhythm after sleep. Try to pause at each twist for just 1 second. Own the control. Are you leading with breath or rushing through? That just supercharged your core. Now let's finish light but grounded. You scroll, you type, you lift. But when was the last time you moved your wrists? Bring your arms out in front or to the sides. Make fists and slowly circle your wrists inward. After 30 seconds, switch to outward rolls. Breathe deeply, stay relaxed in the shoulders. You can feel your forearms stretch, gentle mobility in the wrists and fingers. Connection from fingertips back and shoulders. This keeps your joints supple and reduces long-term stiffness. I promise you'll feel surprisingly relaxed and ready. This is how peace enters your posture, through the small, often ignored places. Circle slower and fuller. 5 more seconds each direction. Are your fingers relaxed or gripping tension? That just resets your flow. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.